speak with you about facial injectables such as Botox and then fillers such as Restylane and Juvederm. As we age, creases form in the face. Some of these creases are from muscles which are pulling on the skin over years and years, and from sun damage which causes the skin to thin. We can counteract these forces by placing Botox in the muscles that are causing these creases, such as the muscles between the brows and the muscles in the forehead which cause the horizontal creases, and the muscles on each side of the eye which cause crow's feet. Botox will relax these muscles and allow the creases to smooth out. If a woman comes in her 20s before she has any significant creases in her forehead and she does Botox regularly, she could be 90 years old and have no creases in her forehead. So we see some patients who prevent the formation of creases. We see other patients who are treating creases that already exist. They use facial fillers, especially around the mouth, for the nasolabial creases here, and for the marionette lines, which are here on the other side of the mouth. Facial fillers are used in patients of all ages. We're doing lip augmentation with Restylane, Perlane, Juvederm for patients who want fuller lips, and we're treating marionette line creases in patients who already have those creases. Injectables such as Botox and Restylane and Juvederm are minimally invasive procedures that still give significant rejuvenation to the face. While complications are rare from injectables such as Botox and Restylane, they can occur, and that is why it's important to see a doctor who really understands facial anatomy and can avoid any of these problems. If you're thinking about having any facial injectables, please feel free to visit my website to see some before and after pictures.